Astrolab can help you get creative and explore images from the telescope in different ways. The files from the telescope can help us to do real science, and Astrolab guides us through this. One thing you can do is create false colour versions of your images. You can directly open your image into Astrolab from the My Observations section of the website. Or you can download files to open them anytime. For downloaded files, use the Open an Image tool from the File menu, or the big plus button next to the main window. To show the details in your observation, use the Scaling tool in the Display menu. When you are happy with your image and want to start getting creative, choose the False Colours tool in the Colour menu. Here you will see a range of different colour options which can be applied to your image. Astronomers often use tools like this to help them see more detail in the observation. They usually choose to look at the objects negatively, changing the black background of space to white and all of the light to black. You can do this using the Reverse the Colours tick box. But you can also use false colours to have some fun and get creative with your image. Feel free to have a play around and make the image change. If you'd like some more freedom in the choices, then we also have a Make Your Own option in the Colours menu. Here you can create up to 3 different false colour sets of your own. Click on a circle in the panel box and select a colour from the colour wheel. You can make it lighter or darker by dragging the slider at the side of the wheel. You can add in more colours to your scheme by using the plus button, which will appear when you hover over the main panel. Each one of these can be changed to a new colour using the colour wheel and the slider once again. If you'd like to delete one of these steps, you can do so by hovering over it in the main panel and clicking on the minus button. Then, confirm you want to do this in the pop-up. You can then change your circle's position by using the boxes at the top of the panel and dragging them until you're happy. When you're finished and want to see your image with these colours, then just press the Save and Use this colour scheme button. When you return to your false colour box, you will see your colour mixes at the bottom of the list. One thing to note is that because we are using this software in a browser, it will not save these options for next time. So, if you think you want to keep the exact same setup, then you might want to make notes or take a screenshot. Have fun exploring the universe!